Hey everyone! Today I want to talk to you about something that I think is really cool, but a lot of people think is difficult to create: whiteboard animation videos. But trust me, it's not as hard as you think. In fact, creating whiteboard animation videos is actually quite easy, and the best part is that they're incredibly engaging. People love watching them, and they're great for explaining complex ideas in a simple and fun way. So let's dive right in and see how we can create our own whiteboard animation video using Canva. If you don't have a Canva account, don't worry, it's free and easy to sign up. Once we're logged in, we can search for Sketch in the search bar. This will give us a wide range of sketch-style images that we can use for our animation. Let's choose a few images that we like, and then adjust them on the page to fit our design. We can resize them, move them around, and even add text to them. Next, let's add some more elements to our design. We can add shapes, icons, and even images from our own computer. The possibilities are endless. Now that we have our design set up, let's download the pages in PNG format. This will give us a transparent background, which is perfect for our animation. Once we have our PNG files, we can re-upload them to Canva and use the whiteboard animation feature to bring our design to life. This is where the magic happens. Let's select our images, set the duration, and choose a colorful duration. We can even add some music to our animation to make it more engaging. Now let's click on Generate and see our animation come to life. Isn't that cool? We can repeat this process for each page of our animation, and then combine them all together to create our final video. And that's it! That's how we can create our own whiteboard animation video using Canva. It's easy, it's fun, and it's a great way to engage our audience and explain complex ideas in a simple and fun way. So, if you're looking for a way to take your videos to the next level, I highly recommend giving whiteboard animation a try. Your audience will love it, and you'll be amazed at how easy it is to create.